One of the beauties of cognitive therapy is that it's very quick acting, so that in every single session, the therapist is helping change the individual's perspective on their life, so that by the time they leave, they've rehearsed for an hour at least, thinking about things in a much more positive way.
This is one of the most exciting things about cognitive therapy is that people get better and get better in a fairly short period of time. And that's one of the primary things that they'll feed back to us.
And most of the time you don't even notice that you're doing it because you're just having a conversation. But you often end up leaving here feeling like some important change has happened in your perspective.
Cognitive therapy is one of the most well-researched forms of therapy. It's used around the world today, and it's basically, in a nutshell, it means helping people change the way that they think about things.
Cognitive therapy is unique in that it's based on principles that are derived from the basic sciences of cognitive science, neuroscience, and behavioral science. And then putting those together into a practice that has been repeatedly tested in clinical trials. And so we're using an evidence-based and scientifically based form of therapy today when we use cognitive therapy.
We work a lot in teaching clients about how the way that they think about themselves, other people, the world, the future, affects how they feel and how they act.
I also find exciting that it is a collaborative treatment, meaning that clients and I are working together with the ultimate goal of helping them become their own therapists.
It's very practical. Cognitive therapy works quickly and it makes common sense. I think that's one of the things that people like about it so much. They know not only that it's working for them, but they know exactly why it's working for them. Everybody getting cognitive therapy can tell you what cognitive therapy is because it's so straightforward. If I change the way I think about things, I'm going to change the way I feel about them.
Most people wait 5 or 6 years beyond the point where they first see troubles and when they first could really benefit from therapy, specifically cognitive therapy. And so I think, why wait? That's a lot of life to miss out on. That's a lot of love not to be building in a relationship, for example. If we can fix things early on, then people don't have to suffer like they could.